Right, Bolognese to freeze. I've got 1 kilo of onions chopped, 1.5 kilos of lean minced beef, 5% fat, 4 tins of chopped tomatoes, 2 celery sticks and 2 carrots finely chopped, some red wine, small bottle of, 3 beef stock cubes crumbled, 3 tablespoonfuls of parsley, 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree, 4 fat cloves of garlic grated, 2 tablespoonfuls of cooking oil, salt and pepper, and an ounce of plain flour. And to serve it up with some grated Parmesan cheese. I've got the meat in the pan. I've heated the oil first, and I'm going to add in the onions and break this down to get rid of all the clumps. The onions will help to do that. So we're going to continue stirring it until all the meat has changed colour. Right, the meat's beginning to brown now. So I'm going to add in the carrots and celery and the garlic. As you can see, the meat's now browned, so we're going to add in the tomato puree, the flour, and the beef stock cubes. I'm going to continue stirring until all the meat's coated with the flour, and then we shall finish it off. So I'm adding in the tomatoes now. I shall give it a good old stir, and all that's left to add now is the seasoning and the parsley. Oh, and the red wine, I must put that in. The red wine needs to cook out. So what I'll do, I'm going to bring it to a simmer, cover it with a lid, and then simmer it for about an hour or an hour and a quarter. And that way the meat should be meltingly tender. Bolognese is cooked now, so I'm just adding in the parsley. The salt and pepper. I shall taste it, and if it needs more I'll add more. I always leave the seasoning till last, because if you put too much salt in and then the food cooks down, it can get too salty. So it's better to add it in at the end. Right, the Bolognese is cooked now. The meat just melts in your mouth. So I've cooked some spaghetti. All I need to do now is serve it up. Wow, smells wonderful. 12 portions for the freezer, and 1 to eat now, and another one in the microwave. So there you go, spag bol. Smells delicious. Can't wait to tuck into this. See you later. Bye.